I'm Brian Waddingham, Executive Director of the Coalition to Support Iowa's Farmers, and today I'll be talking with Jim Knuth, Senior Vice President of Farm Credit Services of America. Now Jim, Farm Credit Services of America has a significant interest in livestock loans here in the state of Iowa. Can you tell us a little bit about your portfolio?
Sure, Brian. Farm Credit Services of America is the largest livestock and livestock facility lender in the state of Iowa. We finance all livestock industries, including cattle, swine, dairy, and poultry. The livestock industry is a very important and substantial part of our portfolio.
Now Jim, in the past there's been some discussion within the banking industry that livestock manure has no value. What's Farm Credit Services of America's take on the value of manure?
Sure. The value of livestock manure in Iowa is real, especially in a grain-producing state like Iowa. Producers, to maximize that value, need to store and transport and apply the manure in an environmentally safe manner. When they meet those objectives, they not only enhance the value of livestock facilities in Iowa, but they also protect the environment and their investment.
Now Jim, what are some of the ways Farm Credit Services of America will finance farmers that need to make changes or improvements to their existing facilities?
Yes, there are three basic ways that we would finance livestock facility improvements. Number one, if you're not an existing customer, we would look to refinance the entire facility and then incorporate the improvements in the new loan. Number two, if you're an existing customer, we can do a re-advance against the existing collateral for an appropriate term and amount, or we can refinance all of the debt and incorporate the improvement debt. And then number three, if you're also an existing customer and you have the availability of an existing revolving line of credit that has availability, we may suggest an advance on that, and then you can pay us back as appropriate.
Now Jim, if a farmer wants to learn more about Farm Credit Services of America programs that are available to help them, where can they go for more information?
Yes, each livestock facility is unique, and my best advice would be to contact your local Farm Credit Services of America office. You can do that by calling 800-884-FARM. Again, 800-884-FARM, and that will connect you to the nearest office from wherever you're calling. You can also visit us online at FCSAmerica.com.
Is there anything else you'd like to add on behalf of Farm Credit Services of America?
Sure. The livestock industry is very important to the state of Iowa, and we greatly appreciate organizations like the Coalition who support producers and help them produce livestock in a healthy, safe, and environmentally responsible manner.
On behalf of the Coalition to Support Iowa's Farmers, I'd like to thank Jim Knuth for taking a few minutes of his time to show the various ways Farm Credit Services of America can assist livestock farmers needing to make changes or improvements to their farm. And if you're a livestock farmer watching this video and would like to know how the rules and regulations impact your farm, please give the Coalition a call to perform an on-site assessment, fully confidential and at no charge. You can reach us at 800-932-2436 or visit us on the web at supportfarmers.com.